Butterfly MX has a lot of great features, especially with these larger screens. You have a directory where if you have any visitors, they can actually press your name. It'll come directly to your app as a video if you go ahead and enable that, or you also can answer it like a phone call and let them in with a swipe of a button through the app. A great thing about Butterfly MX is you have both a delivery option and a visitor pass option. Delivery is great for DoorDash deliveries or package deliveries. With visitor passes, you can also control the time amounts. If you have someone visiting to, for instance, take your dog for a walk, or even if you have someone babysitting once a week, it's a nice option to still be able to control that access. As part of your package at Palmera, with Butterfly, you actually have gated entry into the community. You have a lot of different features with a virtual key or your own personal code, but you can also use voice control. Hey Siri, unlock Palmera Gate.
Okay, done. Palmera Gate is unlocked.
And just like that, hands-free, you can open the gate.